Welcome to Tech and Finance Mag's in-depth exploration of System EO, the ultimate all-in-one platform designed to launch and scale your online business with ease. In this video, we'll dive deep into the incredible features and benefits that System EO has to offer, demonstrating how this powerful platform can revolutionize your online presence. So, let's get started. Today, we'll guide you through the various aspects of System EO, covering website and funnel building, email marketing tools, marketing automation, online course creation, and affiliate management. We'll also share an exclusive offer and a free ebook to help kickstart your journey to online success, brought to you by Tech and Finance Mag. First, let's delve into System EO's intuitive website and funnel builder. This powerful tool allows you to create stunning and high-converting pages to showcase your products and services. We'll walk you through the process of designing captivating pages that grab your audience's attention and drive conversions. Next up, we'll explore System EO's robust email marketing tools. Learn how to create personalized messages and automate your email sequences to engage and nurture your audience, building strong relationships and driving customer loyalty. Moving forward, let's discuss System EO's marketing automation features. Discover how to streamline your processes, track customer behavior, and create seamless customer journeys that drive results. Learn how to automate tasks so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Now, we'll tap into the lucrative world of online courses with System EO's comprehensive course creation and sales tools. We'll demonstrate how to design, promote, and sell your courses to a global audience, sharing best practices to help you reach your target market and generate substantial revenue. In this segment, we'll uncover System EO's built-in affiliate management system. Learn how to create and manage your own affiliate program, recruit, track, and reward affiliates as they promote your products and services, driving increased sales and brand exposure. As we wrap up, don't miss our exclusive offer to access the new system to launch an online business through our special link brought to you by Tech and Finance Mag. Plus, download our free ebook, Visibility Expo, packed with valuable tips and strategies to kickstart your journey to online success. It's time to revolutionize your online business with System EO. Sign up today using our exclusive offer link and claim your free ebook to begin your journey towards success. Remember, you can find both the exclusive offer link and the free ebook download link in the description below. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to level up your online business with System.io, presented by Tech and Finance Mag.